We're here today at C&K Precision Engineers Limited, a subcontract machine shop based in Stoke-on-Trent. Now, 75% of their CNC turning centres are bought through one company. Let's find out why. Thank you, Matt, for having us here today. Tell me more about C&K.
Okay, yeah, well, we're a subcontract machining company. We also do assembly, some fabrication. Started in 1969 by my dad, so second generation company. And we've enjoyed steady growth over the years. We moved premises in 2017. We've grown a lot since then. We've had better machines, better working environment. We've got much more space around us.
Actually, off camera, before we're doing the interview, you said you're looking to invest in productivity. What do you mean by this?
Well, as well, I mean, there's a skill shortage, with manufacturing. So we're very lucky. We've got a good team base around us, but we've got to maximise, their abilities. So if we can do that with better machines, that's the way forward for us.
Now, you bought your machines from Dugard. In fact, 6 of your 8 turning centres have been bought through Dugard. Why do you keep going back to the same company?
One of the main things is reliability. The fact that the first one was so reliable, we had it 6 years now, and it's been very reliable, very strong, very repeatable. We do a lot of exotic materials, and it's a very solid machine. They've got box guideways on there, and they're, so you've got faith in the machine, really. We like the Siemens control, which is perhaps not a typical control that comes with lathes. So a lot of the manufacturers, if you buy a machine bespoke to order, it's 12 months lead time. And we simply couldn't wait for that, So Dugard's had one in stock, and it's had a few more bells and whistles, like some spindle that we hadn't had before. And yeah, it was availability. And
so basically, you had a machine that was available, you've liked that machine, and you've gone on to buy 2 more. That speaks volumes, in my opinion.
If something's serving you well, you stick with what you know. So we did. It was the second one has been because we always found that we had. Since we had that machine, you get more and more jobs for that machine, so you get a bottleneck. So we had to do something about it. So last year we had the second one with the Y-axis.
And how long's this one been installed?
This one just commissioned this week.
Nice. So, and so are you using it already?
Yeah. So up and running. We're bringing new guys. We've got 2 apprentices starting this year. One's just started with us recently, and he's been showing him the ropes on this one.
You've been here 31 years?
31 years this year, yeah.
What do you love about your job?
The money.
No, I don't believe you.
No, I like all this kind of thing. I like, making things. I like my cars. And it's all kind of related, if you know what I mean.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So you're a turner here, and you're working on mainly, how many machines?
1, 2, 3, 4, 4-ish.
4 machines?
Yeah.
3 of those 4 machines are SMEC machines.
Yes.
What do you like about them?
I just find that they're built well. We cut a lot of exotic material, so Inconel 625, titaniums, and they murder it.
Yeah.
You can put massive cuts on, and they just take it. Whereas I know on other machines they will stall, but these don't. They just keep going.
Why is that? Why do you think they take that so well?
I think they're just built really well, and they're on boxways as well, aren't they? So the tolerances are always good. But the motors, they must be really high spec, because they will take it.
And you like that familiarity, if I can say it, with the Siemens control. Why is it that you like this control
So I did all my training on Siemens. I've used other stuff, but I just find that Siemens is so much more, user-friendly, and they put a lot more technical, add-ons in there, if you like.
For you, what does a good machine mean as an operator and a machinist?
Right, so say we do a job this out of titanium. It's really thin. It's only 0.9 mil thin wall thickness, and you don't get no vibrations with these machines because you can, that's when they turn around, when they index round, you can hear them clunk into position and all that kind of thing. And with it having the BMT 65s, the big tool holders and stuff like that, so it's just really good.
Now, I'm sure you have quite a heavy influence on choosing which models you go for. So why have you chosen the models that you have?
Right. So, for example, this one, we went with the Y-axis. It's the first machine we bought with the Y-axis, and because it's just so much versatile than the other ones. I mean, we've got other machines with live tooling, but with the Y-axis, like opening out slots and counterboring in holes and stuff like that. And this one having the sub spindle. The job what it's on now, we've used the sub spindle on this one, and it just, you can literally walk away from it, like, if you know what I mean, when you're doing quantities, yeah. In fact, we were that impressed with this one, that's why we bought that one. It's pretty much the same machine, Y-axis on it, it just hasn't got the sub spindle. Because what we found is we only really need one with the sub spindle because of the work we do. So that one's doing all the kind of one-off works and stuff, but we needed the Y-axis because we just found it mega. Yeah. Really good, really happy.
And then you've just bought a new one.
Yeah, we just bought the little one over there. That's for my son because he's starting his apprenticeship now. And I think me and Matt said to like how good these machines are. And that one came along, so we just went for it. Yeah, it hasn't got the live tooling on it, but as a basis for learning, it's got Siemens Control 828 on it. Yeah, can't fault it. It's really good.
It's a big investment, isn't it, for you to make? So I guess you want to know that you're investing in not only the machine, but also the infrastructure behind it.
Well, that's right. You know, I mean, no one likes being stuck at the end of a phone talking to someone who you never spoke to before and then pass to someone else, and you think, who are you speaking to here, you know? But you speak to Dugard, and it's someone you've dealt with before, you know, you've got that relationship that you can pick up on, and, you know, it's worked well.